Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mom.
How are you today?
I am fine. How about you, Mom?
I'm fine too, thank you. And I'm very happy to hear that you are very happy today. Okay, before we start our lesson, it's better for us to recite basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, next I will set your attendance first. Elisa Mubarakah,
Present, Mom.
Nurci Damayanti,
Present, Mom.
Iza Mafruha, where are you?
She is absent today.
Absent? Well, she is absent.
She is sick, Mom.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, we will start our lesson. Today we will discuss about passive voice. I will ask you, anyone knows what is passive voice in bahasa? What? Kalimat pasif. Yes, you are right. Okay, in sentence there is kalimat pasif dan juga kalimat aktif. Active voice and passive voice. Okay, Cici, can you give me example of kalimat aktif dalam bahasa Indonesia?
Oke, Mom. Miss Nurul mengajar bahasa Inggris.
Okay, good. Dapatkah kamu mengubah itu jadi kalimat pasif? Bagaimana?
Bahasa Inggris diajarkan oleh Miss Nurul.
Nah, good job. Seperti itu ya. Jadi kita akan membahas passive voice. Bagaimana kita mengubah kalimat aktif menjadi kalimat pasif. Active voice itu passive voice. Oke, passive voice. Kalimat pasif ya. So, what is the formula of passive voice? The formula is to be plus verb 3. Remember ya, to be plus verb 3. Okay, now let's see what is to be. To be has so many phases. Sometimes it can change by itself for verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb infinitive, and verb ing. What is to be for verb 1? Is, am, are. To be for verb 2 is, was, and were. For verb 3, do you know? Has, had, no. For verb 3, the to be is been. For verb infinitive, to be is be. And the last one, for verb ing, the to be is being. Okay? Now you must understand this first before we start to make passive voice. Okay? Let's see. We will discuss about passive voice for several tenses. The first we will discuss about present tense. Nursuti, what did you eat for breakfast? Porridge, fried rice, or maybe omelette?
Fried rice.
Okay. For positive sentence, Cici eats fried rice. So, what we should do to change this active voice to passive voice? The first step is let's analyze. What is the subject, what is the predicate, and what is the object? Cici as the subject, eat as the predicate. Yes, you're right. Fried rice as the object. Okay. passive voice. To be plus verb 3. Verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. Eat. For verb 2, do you know?
And
Eat, yes, you're right. And then for verb 3,
eaten.
yes. Smart. Eaten. So, eat. It's verb 1. For verb 3 is eaten. Eaten. To be, because it is present tense, the to be is or are. Because it's singular, so we choose is. This is active voice and this is the passive voice. Fried rice is eaten by Gigi. Okay, it's easy. Okay, let's move to the negative form. What is the negative form for this sentence? Gigi doesn't or does not, yeah, eat fried rice. Okay, so what should we do? Let's analyze this. Where is the subject, where is the predicate, and where is the object? Gigi as the
Subject.
subject, yes. Doesn't it as the
Predicate.
yes. Fried rice and the object. So doesn't. Okay, let's see. Do or does it relate with is are. For it relates with was or would. Okay. So it is doesn't. It is related with is are. Okay. Is or are. Plus verb 3. Eaten. So it can be fried rice is not eaten by Gigi. Okay, did you get it? Okay, let me erase this. For the interrogative, does subject Gigi eat fried rice? This is the active. So the passive voice is Gigi I'm so sorry. Is
Fried rice.
fried rice eaten by Gigi? Okay, this is the present tense. Now let's move to the, let me erase this, yeah. I think you had been right on your book
Yes.
for the past tense. I have sentence. She made a cake. This is simple past tense. So let's change to passive voice. What is the first step? Let's analyze. See as the subject, of course. Made, predicate, and a cake as the object. Why we use was not word? Because it is singular. Was made by her. Why it can be her? Okay, let's see. Pronoun. Pronoun. Do you remember the pronoun? Where I should write here? Pronoun. For subject, object, and predicate. Subject I, the object is me, and for the possessive is my. You, the object is you, and for the possessive is yours. Okay, she, for the object is what? Do you know? Her, and for the possessive is also her. And then he. What is the object for he? Him. And then for the possessive is to be his. For we, the object us, and the possessive is our. The last one is they. Do you know the object for they? Them. And the possessive is to be there. You must remember this to make passive voice. She, the object is her, so we choose by her. Let's see negative sentence. She didn't make. Okay. What is the passive voice of she didn't make a cake? A cake was not or wasn't made by her. Okay, the last one, interrogative. Did she make a cake? So the passive voice was a cake made by her question mark. Okay, this is the past tense. Positive, negative, and interrogative. Okay, do you have finished write on your book? Okay, finish. We'll erase this. Just remember the formulas for passive voice. To be plus verb 3. You must remember the to be and all of the verb 3. Now I have a sentence. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. What is the tense? Present continuous. Yes, you are right. So we will change this active voice to the passive voice. I as the subject and reading as the predicate, book as the object. Yes. Let's take a book. A book is a singular, so we use is. A book is, remember, for present continuous before, after to be, we use being. A book is being read by me. For the read, verb 1 is read, verb 2 is read, and verb 3 is also read. And then I have a another example. Our school will invite Mahathir on graduation ceremony. Can you tell me what is the tenses of this sentence? Yes, this is simple future tense. Okay, let's see. Our school subject will invite predicate Mahathir object. On graduation ceremony, it can be adverb. Mahathir will, if in continuous we use being, in future we use be. Don't forget be. Mahathir will be invited by our school on graduation
ceremony.
Are you happy if our school invite Mahathir on graduation ceremony? Of course, I'm happy too. The last one. What are you write? I have studied English for 10 years. I as the
Subject.
have studied as the predicate and English as the object. Okay, I'm sorry to tell you that the tense is present perfect. English has, because English is singular, has been. Remember, if it is continuous, we use being. In future, we use be. And for perfect, we use been. Don't forget, English has been studied by I. As the subject, for the object, we use me. Yes, you are right. Me for 10 years. Okay, let me see. Just remember, for continuous we use being, for future we use be, and for perfect we use been. For simple present we use is, am, or are. It depends on the subject. And for the past tense we use was or were. I'm sorry. Okay. Any question? No? Okay, if you don't have any question, I will give you some exercise. Okay? Yes. Let me erase this because I think you have finished to write on your book. What I will give you number 1. Okay, to question. Anyone want to try to answer? And I will give you a good mark, okay? Jalisa, maybe? Yes, you will try? Okay, let me see. room must not clean. Okay. Number 2. Anyone want to try? You want to try? Okay. Number 2. I will give you a good mark. Okay. Good job. Let's try. Put your room clean by the question mark.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I don't clean my room. I subject don't clean predicate my room object. My room was not cleaned by me. Okay, but I think it for to be it is false. Yeah,
Yes.
it can be, it must be, is not. Okay, is not. But okay, you are trying the best. This for number 2. If you clean your room, was your room cleaned by you? Okay, this true. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay. Before we close our lesson today, I will give you a homework. Let's see on page 1006. You must do this task in your home and you must submit it next week. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
Okay. Thank you for your nice attention. I'm sorry for mistake. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.